Hello mga Tams, my name is AC and this is Above the Net. These actually are series of podcasts for WRT. Now before we start and call our guests, I'm gonna give you a quick trivia. No? So did you know that Coach Shaq De Los Santos is actually a former FEU men's volleyball player? De Los Santos served as the head coach of the FEU Lady Tamaraos and later the Philippine women's national volleyball team, contributing to the development of the sport at both collegiate and national levels. Now, let us all welcome now FEU men's volleyball members. We have Ariel Cacao and Taylor Talisayan. Give a round of applause, please, guys. Kamusta naman kayo?
Okay lang po.
Good. Okay. So, are you ready for our series of questions?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
naka-ready naman. Okay. Before we start, how do you want me to call you first?
Je.
Je na lang, okay. Je
Oo,
and
Kakao na lang.
Kakao na lang, okay. Why do you prefer Kakao over your first name?
Wala,
Wala
nakasanayan
lang.
lang.
Mas nakasanayan. Mas
Oo.
marami tumatawag sa
Oo
inyo
po.
na Kakao. Okay, so go. Okay, first question. Um, I know as you've been a student and at the same time an athlete. So it's we call it student athlete, right? But how do you handle the pressure of that? Na napagsasabay niyo siya being a student at the same time being an athlete.
Sa akin, pinaka-importante sa akin na time management.
Mhm.
Kasi yun talaga pag student athlete ka, parang mahirap talaga pag sasamahan mo pa ng ibang,
Mhm.
alam mo yan, pag-alagala mo, pag ano. Tapos, pag sa pressure naman, sa game or sa ano, kasi importante sa akin na pag nakapag-prepare ako ng maayos,
Mhm.
nakapag-training ako ng maayos, mas mataas yung kumpiyansa ko sa sarili ko. Kaya,
Mhm.
kumpara mas na-handle ko ng maayos yung pressure or hindi ako masyadong na-rattle or kinakabahan sa game kasi alam ko na prepared ako.
Yes, okay. Preparedness is the key, no?
Sa akin naman, same as goes
Mm-mm.
kay Kuya Kakao, time management.
Mm-mm.
Since two responsibilities siya,
Mm-mm.
from student to athletes. So, kailangan talaga, hindi naman siya totally nababalance talaga eh. Meron talaga na merong naiiwan na responsibility.
Mm-mm.
Pero, as time goes by, parang it is a practice also sa amin na paano i-handle yung situation once na lumabas na kami outside FEU. Parang minomold kami sa FEU na paano mo i-handle yung ganung responsibility na ibibigay sa'yo in the future.
Yes. Mhm. Pero Jay, as a team captain, no, kasi you're not just a regular player, you're also a team captain of your team. How do you manage that? I mean, with different personalities, kasi I'm also like handling like teachers at the same time. And it's hard, right? These like players have different personalities, unique from each one. How do you handle that?
Yan. As a team captain, kailangan ko mag-adjust din sa different personalities ng mga members ko.
Mm-mm.
Pero ang pinaka-importante kasi doon, mag-meet halfway kami. Kung ano yung purpose namin sa team, ano yung role namin sa team, ano yung goal namin as a team. Doon kami nagkakaisa eh. Pero outside of that, meron talagang hindi nagkakatugma. Pero by the end of the day, ayusin namin. Kasi hindi naman namin papayagan na masisira lang yung team dahil sa ganung hindi pagkakaunawan. And yan, i-resolve ka agad namin as much as possible. Kasi by the end of the day, yung parang ina-advocate namin yung brotherhood namin. Na regardless kung matapos kami dito sa FEO or gagraduate na kami, andun pa rin yung brotherhood na tinatawag namin na magkakapatid kami outside and inside of the court.
Of course, I want to testify kung tama yung sinabi mo. Tama ba yung kakao?
Yes po.
Okay. But how is Jaylord as a captain? Is he like strict? Or medyo loose ba siya? Ganun? Or like parang friends niya rin?
Parang sa kanya, parang balance lang.
Balance?
Hindi siya masyadong strict, tapos yung nakikisabay lang siya. Parang ganun. Kasi nung una, parang wala pa akong team captain nun. Tapos nagli-lead na agad siya that time.
Ah.
Parang sabi ko,
Flex na siya. Tapos?
parang nasa utak ko, ay, ano talaga to? Parang leader
Leader
material.
material.
Ah.
Oo.
Kaya sabi ko, yun, deserve talaga niya siya yung team captain.
Good, good. So, aside from that, sabi ko nga, pressure kayo, you have a lot of responsibilities. How do you deal with yung mga mental health natin ngayon? Kasi, as much as you prepared for physical health ninyo every time, di ba? Nag-exercise kayo, nag-training kayo. But how do you prepare for mental health? Kasi we know that mental health and physical, it's just the same. It's as important as one another, right? How do you handle that Ano ginagawa ninyo?
Sa akin, ano
Mm.
may isang tao kasi akong pinagsha-sharean ng mga nararamdaman ko. Kaya,
Sana all. Okay. Tapos, pinag-share ng...
ayun, parang dun ko nare-release kung ano yung mga saloobin ko or mga mabibigat na nararamdaman ko.
Does
Parang-
it help you?
Opo, malaking tulong
Malaking
po. Sobrang.
tulong yun.
Kasi-
Someone to listen.
Opo, yun.
Okay. And no judgment at
Yes,
all.
yes,
Okay,
yes.
that's good. Jet.
And for me naman, meron kaming sports psychologist ngayon. So malaking bagay rin sa amin na meron kaming ganun.
Mm-mm.
And thanks to our major sponsor na si Ma'am Donna na parating gumagabay sa amin. Binibigay lahat ng mga kailangan namin
nyo. Mentally. No?
Mentally, food, lahat-lahat para lang supportahan kami na pagiging best namin para mapakita namin yung best namin.
Very good.
Tapos, yun.
Do you think a good support system will help with your mental health stability at the same time?
Yes.
Mhm. How do you get that help from one another? Paano nyo tinatapin from one member to another?
Sa akin, as a team captain, pag merong di pagkakaunawaan, tas may problema, personal man or hindi, kailangan namin pag-usapan Kasi magre-reflect kasi siya doon sa mismong training namin, sa laro namin. So, yun nga, as a advocate ng brotherhood namin sa FEU, kailangan namin gabayan parati yung kapatid namin. Hindi lang namin tinitignan yung isa't isa as teammates. Tinitignan namin yung isa't isa as magkakapatid, family.
Mm. Sabi mo, you're always like, helping one another. You think each member as a family at the same time. But if I may ask you, what was your feeling nyo parang pinaka-biggest challenge na kinaharap nyo as a group? And how were you able actually to, to patch up with everything and become okay and stand up again as a group? Wala
Siguro
naman
yung
so far.
Last season.
Oo.
Ako din Sa akin siguro yung last season nung natalo kami sa UST. Dalawang beses kami natalo nun kasi twice to beat kami. Parang, hindi ko alam kung anong emotion ko that time pero sobrang sakit nun. Tapos, hindi ko alam kung paano ulit ako mag-uumpisa. Tapos, parang hindi din kami masyadong nag-uusap agad nung...
After nung
Opo,
game.
kasi yung emotion talaga hindi namin maintindihan nun Tapos, ako para sa akin, hindi ko alam kung maglalaro pa ba ako next season or bahala na kayo dyan. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ko na naharap na lumaban ulit.
Okay. So parang it takes time rin, no? Okay.
Parang ganun po.
So minsan maganda wag na lang muna pag-usapan. Pinapag-usapan niya pa or hindi? Napag-usapan din.
namin.
Oo.
Kasi yun yung din nag-fuel sa amin this season.
This
Yung
season.
sakit na naramdaman namin.
Dapat ina-accept ninyo
Opo.
and then 'di ba ini-embrace ninyo at
Yes,
the same
yes.
time. Okay, good. So, is this your last year competing? We do not
Sure.
know yet. Okay. So, parang secret pa 'yon. Okay, kasi I wanna know, how do you see the future of FEU volleyball team? Kasi if you're gonna be exiting maybe next school year, what do you think is the future of FEU volleyball team?
Sa akin, nakikita ko na sobrang maganda
Mm-mm.
yung mangyayari sa future ng FEU Men's Volleyball.
Bakit?
Kasi, kinumpare ko yung season 85-86 to 87. Sobrang laki ng difference kumpara sa 85 sa ngayon, 87. So, what pa yung mga mangyayari pa ng season 88 to 89? So, para sa akin, maganda yung tinatahak ng team Kaya, tapos lalo na ngayon na yung mga rookie namin,
Yes, rather.
Sobrang-
Rising stars. Mhm.
parang halos lahat sila, wala kang masasabi sa kanila lahat Puro skilled player talaga.
Skill player.
Oo.
Jet.
For me naman, meron kaming FEU MBTY, yung purpose namin. Binabasa namin siya, binabanggit namin siya every after namin umalis dito sa FEU,
FEU.
papuntang DEDU. So, andon, nakalagay doon, the legacy, yung maiiwan na player dito sa FEU. Na, kaya ngayon, nasa team captain, purpose ko talaga din na i-mold yung mga first year na pag dumating yung araw na wala na kami, sila yung magpapatuloy. Wala na kami sa
Okay,
FEU.
wala sila. Okay.
Sila na yung magpapatuloy sa ano yung nasimulan.
Oo.
Nasimulan nung habang ako pa yung nagiging senior nila, ako yung team
Oo.
captain. Ayoko maputol yun na pag hindi magiging selfish dapat kasi dapat yung team yung uunahin mo kasi family yung pinag-usapan natin, pinag-uusapan
Yes.
natin dito. Kaya huwag kang gagawa ng kung ano mang ikakasira ng pamilya natin.
Yes, good. J. Lord, I know you're still on the peak of your career, no? But are you eyeing someone to be like the next captain? Or it's a secret? It's a secret ba?
Si Amit Bitpin. Kasi,
oo. Amit could be the
technology,
next captain. Mhm.
Kasi may initiative siya eh. Tapos kami yung nakikita ko rin yung sarili ko sa kanya eh. Kasi meron siyang initiative, tas leader material din siya na gina-guide niya rin yung mga kapwa rookies niya. So, yun yung kinakausap ko palagi para yung
Okay.
mangyari.
Good,
Sa-
good,
may
good.
may masusunod.
Okay. Last question. Why did you choose FEU? Bakit? Alam ko graduating na kayo, but why did you choose FEU? Sige nga.
Ako, kasi yung FEU, hindi sila kumukuha ng mga superstar player eh. Nung bago ako pumunta ng FEU,
Mm-mm.
parang sila talaga yung nagpapagaling, nagpapalakas dun sa player. Kaya dun ako na-inspire na parang gusto ko talaga mag-FEU kasi parang dun ako parang mas mag-i-improve as individual.
Mhm.
Yun po.
Je, how about you?
Ako, napili ko yung FU kasi yun nga, yung brotherhood. Yun yung nararamdaman ko dito na kahit malayo ako sa pamilya ko, meron akong pamilya na kinakapitan dito.
Parang naiyakan na.
Tapos,
Sabi niya sa akin kanina dun sa gym, last choice niya na yung FEU.
Di ba?
Ito daw.
First choice ko nga eh.
Oh, first choice ko, FEU.
Tapos
Eh.
yung nakikita kong suporta, kasi dati nanonood ako ng UAP volleyball.
Before.
Sobrang daming supporters ng FEU
Mm-mm.
tuwing finals game, tuwing may laro yung FEU. Sobrang daming sumusuporta. Kaya gusto ko rin maramdaman yung feeling na sobrang daming sumusuporta sa paglalaro ko. Hindi lang sa paglalaro ko, paglalaro ng buong team.
Okay. Sige. So, wow. Very good answers, no? So, meron pa tayong next game before this. After this, actually, magkakaroon pa tayo ng isang game. Hello, we're gonna have our fast or play. Have you ever played this game before?
Yes.
Hindi pa. Sabi niya hindi pa daw. Okay. So I'm gonna give you quick questions and you have to answer it quickly at the same time. You have to choose between the two choices.
Ikaw na ako sumagot.
Okay? So sino mauna sa inyo sumagot or either na lang?
Sige, ako na lang.
Okay, ikaw na lang. Okay, ready? Okay, first question. Training drills or weight training?
Weight training.
Weight training. Halata. Ikaw,
Training
Jay.
drills.
Drills. Okay. Interesting. Morning training or evening training?
Morning.
Morning.
Morning. Okay. Parang wala pa nag-night training. Kill block or perfect dig?
Heel block.
Perfect big.
Why?
Kasi malaking factor siya sa spikers na makapalo ng maayos.
Yeah. Mhm. So, 3-set dominance or 5-set thriller?
3 set.
3 sets.
3-set dominance. Okay. Good. Next, long rally or quick point?
Quick point.
Quick point, para mabilis, no? Para kay Kakao yata to. Instagram or TikTok?
Instagram.
Instagram. Ikaw?
Instagram.
Ayun na TikTok. Pero parang nasa TikTok ka lagi.
Tambay sa TikTok.
Para maniyata. Okay.
Hindi, pagka-post ko ng TikTok nun, hindi na ako nag-scroll.
Okay. Next, vlogging or live streaming?
Vlogging.
Vlogging.
Live streaming siguro.
Okay, kasi yun ang ginagawa.
Nag-live ako.
Live streaming. 8 fans or privacy? Oh, this is actually a good question.
Hindi ko alam.
Hindi ba?
Hard, no?
Sa akin, siguro privacy.
Privacy na lang muna. Wala pang sagot.
Wala.
Okay. Yeah. Trending challenge or sports highlight? Ano gusto niyo?
Parehas.
Especially for TikTok.
Sports science.
Sports highlight. Ikaw? You have to choose.
Trending TikTok.
Oo na talaga din eh.
Parang nawaisip ka pa.
True. Okay, last one. More followers or more championship?
More championship.
Okay, more championship tayo. Okay.
Goal tayo. Ay.
Yes, para manalo, no? Okay,
Yes,
good. Okay, so thank you so much. Again, this is Above the Net, and this is actually one of our series for our podcast for WRP. Thank you so much. I'll see you again next podcast. Bye-bye.